Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I've been looking for a gaming mouse, so I ordered Logitech Pro X Superlight 2 wireless gaming mouse. This gaming mouse is fast, precise wireless gaming mouse, a pro game icon, now faster and more precise. It is designed in collaboration with the world leading esports pro, engineered to win. Pro precision mechanical switch enable pro level precision, reliability and ultra low latency. Optical actuation with a crisp tactical click, most advanced. Optical sensor in game. Hero 2 features tracking over 500 plus IPX up to 32,000 dpi and precise sensor. Calibration with zero smoothing, acceleration or filtering better performance. Command a smooth glide and seamless connection to your game with Zero-additive PTFE Mouse Feet. This gadget is compatible with universal optical sensor. Wireless range is 300 meters, 5 buttons, programmable buttons, scroll wheel and battery indicator light. Rechargeable battery. What we want to do is unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. And see what it looks like. Very smooth. This is the cable, USB and C-type cable. Information pack, and also you have this part here, so you put this to your PC. So at the back so the battery goes in here. The battery. So this is what is included. This is very light, smooth to operate. So this is the unboxing of this Logitech mouse. Thank you, it deserves your attention. Super light.